At the end of September 2021, some progress was made in terms of the sanction imposed on the new government, but the reserves of the Bank of Afghanistan are still frozen. On September 24, 2021, the Treasury Department of the US issued 2 licenses to the US and some international organizations to conduct transactions with the new government of Afghanistan, which provides the basis for the distribution of humanitarian aid in Afghanistan under the control of the new government. This step was highly appreciated by the government. This step was highly appreciated by the new government from now on. One of the challenges of Afghanistan banking system is the principles of Islamic economy will be applied in the new system, while the banking system of the rest of the world are based on trust transaction. But there is no work done for long-term investment, and this is a big challenge for Afghanistan's banking system. There were problems in the field of monetary policies in the past 20 years, and the efficiency of Afghanistan monetary policies was not high, which had 2 main reasons. The first is that 90% of Afghanistan's economy is semi-formal or informal. With the Bank of Afghanistan, interaction with it was difficult because the Bank of Afghanistan interaction was with the formal sector, so the effect of the monetary policy was also less. More than monetary units were in circulation, due to which monetary policies were weakened. Every week, the Kabul administration auctioned approximately $40 million to keep the price and value of the Afghani stable. But despite this, the price of the dollar gradually reached 80 Afghani, and this shows that the monetary policy wasn't effective.